Snow in Lower Alabama. This is nuts. I live right like at the bottom of Alabama, and it only snows like every 7 years. Had to film this. Film my ride home. Ah. It's really pretty, but we're not used to this. It's so cold. It's shave. But look at the scenery. I hope I don't have to see this for another 6 or 7 years. I might get one of my skateboard decks and go play and slide down some hills, actually. Now think about it. That might be some fun to do. But yeah. It's all pretty. Ooh. That bridge does not look safe. Yeah, alright. I do not have the courage to ride through this. I don't know. Call me what you will. Oops, sorry, didn't mean my glove was in there. There's one of my e-bikes, JCN, in case y'all are wondering. Thing's really cool. I have it turned really low though so we can cruise and enjoy the scenery, and I won't freeze to death because It's right now, but at least it's pretty. Oh God! Look at the ice chunks on the ground. All right, I'm about to put this little bite mount back in my mouth and ride up this hill for you. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. And my nose is running too. Watch me slam riding this. My HR manager said I was nuts for doing this, but it's like they say, some people feel the rain, some people just get wet. My nose is running. I'm sorry. Ooh, can't help it. All the angles were good.
Geez, I'm not filming this drought again. You admit.
It's exceptionally pretty though, but I could do without seeing it. My soles are froze, or they're slippery now. Yeah, that's funny. For a second I thought I forgot my phone. My hands are so cold, they're physically hurting. I couldn't find any gloves. I had to use summer motorcycle gloves. So they're throbbing. Oh, my pedals are frozen. Whew. The road is frozen. This is crazy. I'm almost home, so I'm gonna turn it off in a second. Brr. Alright dudes, I got home and got the layer of snow off of me, and yeah, it's still snowing. I would turn the camera, but I don't want y'all to see exactly where I live, but the people that, pretty much almost everybody on here that's gonna see this knows where I live anyway, but other people I don't want to show exactly where, but people are gonna figure out anyway if they want to. But yeah, that's why I'm not turning the camera. But yeah, everything's white and snowy, and I'm about to let my dogs out. Oh, and when I let my dogs out, this will be the first time they've ever seen snow. So let's see how they act. This one here escapes all the time, so I put her in a little tie out. So I'm gonna grab her. All right, Dougie. Dixie, come on. She's not acting any type of way at all. All right. Sorry about the chain hanging down. I'm only letting them out long enough for them to pee and check out the snow. Dixie, come on, baby. Come on. You gotta go tinkle and eat and drink and she looks like, what in the world is this stuff? And she's not having any part of it. She's a little dirty right now. You can bathe her and she'll get covered in mud in 2 seconds. Look at the doggy. But anyway, I'm gonna end on this, and hope y'all like the little ride. Have a good one. I'm gonna enjoy chilling my dogs.